Yo, let me hook you up.
What's good, YouTube? What's going on? Hope you all had a great weekend. We are back live. Ready to start a fresh week, guys. Cannot wait. So glad to be back with you. So glad to be sharing the order flow knowledge and order flow journey with us here at the Flow Trading Academy. I'm Simon, and we're joined today by Wall and Kay. I'll let those guys in a second, but let's take a look at gold here as we start this beautiful new week. Just looking at gold, here's a trade that we took this morning in the Flow Trading Academy Premium. Amazing 1 to 1.5 trade hit here nice and early this morning. We'll go over that in a second, but so far just on gold, it's been ranging, to be honest, guys, since London opened. Just flicking to the daily chart now, turn off my drawings for you guys. Yeah, you can see here, for those of you that watched the weekly analysis video, you would have seen that we always talk about this key area here from October 2025, and we tapped that area to a T in July. And since August opened, this is actually the first trading day of August just here. We've been in a really aggressive bullish trend. But as we said in the weekly analysis, we're now starting to tap into these key areas of supply just above here from the beginning of June. And we're just seeing a little bit of resistance, guys. That's why the sales were so appealing to us in the Flow Trading Academy Premium this morning. And as I said, we took that trade and got a beautiful, beautiful win. So right now, guys, the plan for today is, let's go over to our footprint chart, and let's give you a much better view using the order flow. So here it is, guys. Here's the reason for the trade that we took this morning, is that we marked out this area already from the 44.70s down to the 44.60s. You can see here, guys, we had a beautiful move down. The reason why this is such a key area is because of all the order flow activity that we had here last week. We had a lot of trap buyers up here, really positive delta, and then we just fell off a cliff ever since. That left us with some beautiful supply. Retapped that area here again last week on the 13th of August. We absolutely tanked again, attempt to break it again, tanked again. Tried to break it this morning during Asia session. So the market opened up down here. We rallied. That's a huge, wow, that's a huge move. So about 500 pips there. We rallied and then we collapsed again, retest, and we were really comfortable to put on a short position. So this is a really key level, guys, still for us at the 44.70s down to the 44.60s on GCZ. So sales are still in play. It obviously needs to retest it because we've come down so much already. So the target's pretty much already hit at the VWAP. There's no point in taking the sell again. We've got a TP. I wasn't at my desk for the second re-entry. So didn't manage to catch it. So I'm not looking to chase a move here at all. One thing to be cautious of, guys, is we do have this area of support. See right at the VWAP is holding around the 44.50s. So let's not roll out buys right away. But we need to see something a little bit more on the order flow. We need to see some aggressive buyers come into the market, some buyers step up on the footprint chart. But at the moment, guys, you can just see by the cumulative delta chart, ever since that peak just up there, we've just been in this huge downtrend. really, to be honest, guys. So on the delta, so the delta is absolutely collapsed down to the negatives. So buys, be a little bit wary of. The ideal buys for me are going to be the 44.25s. I know that some of us are still buying around the 44.50s because it's a good area of support. You could potentially scalp off it. But for me, I need it to drop a lot lower. So let's have a look, see if we can find anything else on the order flow. Yeah, so 44.50s, I can see why that's holding as support. You can see here all this aggressive buying denoted by the green on the bid. Probably why it's holding and why it's having a bit of a difficult time, but Delta is still tanking, so we could come down a lot lower. So for now, I need to see a retest of this area. Let's go to the Bookmap to give you the actual key to the entry here. I need to see this to come back up to the 44.60s at least, retest all these trap buyers, and then need to see them defend price, and then the sellers reload, and then we can collapse. If we just keep collapsing, guys, then as I said, I'll be looking at the 44.25s for a potential reversal and go for the buys. Okay, guys, well, that's the plan. Hope that made sense to you all. Just let me know if it didn't, and please ask any questions you've got in the chat. So we're taking a really nice trade already today, guys. So we're not looking to rush anything. All posted in our free Discord. Go to the trade reviews. There's the trade just there. My runner very annoyingly actually got stopped out on this pullback around here, and then we tanked a little bit more, but is what it is. And then I wasn't at my desk for these re-entries, but what can you do? So just waiting for the pullback now, guys. Hopefully get a sell. If this doesn't hold and we manage to break above the 44.65s, which I'm not expecting, to be honest, guys, because we have got huge orders. See how that huge order just came through on the current order book around the 44.64s just here, 113 on the order book. That means there's a passive seller there waiting to sell at that price. So all of these orange and red lines there that are passive sellers. We do have a passive buyer, but it's nothing like the liquidity that's above. So potentially we could get a push up, grab that, come back down, which would be great. Or we go straight through it, and then we start to target the 4500s, which is I suppose the final target for the buyers. But we will see what happens. All of these levels that you can see on my chart, guys, they're all born out of the order flow. They're all based on where we've seen really aggressive order flow activity. I'm only interested in what looks abnormal. I don't like to trade the middle of ranges, so I really just draw my levels out based on where the abnormal activity is taking place. So that's plan for today. Hope that made sense. And let's let the boys in. And let's see how we get on. What's up, guys? Yeah, let's go to you guys. Okay, who wants to go first? Okay, let's go to War. War shop. Yeah, you are live.
Guys, pay attention to the weekly analysis. These levels were drawn in advance, and right here we have the star of the day, star of this Monday trading session here, and we're looking for buys right off of this zone right here to trade through the New York range. Price rejected here, traded completely through, and we were looking to sell it here if it gave us an opportunity, but obviously it blew straight through. And as you know, I said if it does get through here, I'm not interested in trading it because we could just fall straight back right down to the POC yet again. And that's exactly what it did. Then it kind of retested this level, but now this level is not important to me because it's been violated. So we'll just get rid of that level there. Now, what do we have for gold today, this session? We're inside of a massive range, so we're going to have to be careful because price will get choppy. As you can clearly see, it's very choppy. So what do we see on the current day's profile? Well, we can see we're just trading within this this small range within a much larger range. So I could easily see price coming back down, retesting this low volume area, and possibly even going all the way back down to retest these lows yet again as we just continue the range. And then on the NASDAQ real quick. So we were talking about how we're going to look for buys coming up into New York's upper distribution, because we have 3 distributions in New York, and we left the most volume at the lows, but we did not close at the lows. We closed up here. So we're looking for price to come back up here, and market just gapped up, so I would not have taken any buys here. But what we could have done is taken sells off of this high volume node right here to try to trade it back towards the other high volume peak. And price did reject there. It gave some profit, but it never actually returned. So once we start trading higher, that's your signal to buy the market. And NASDAQ is pretty much right now in a double distribution, but buyers are strong. So as long as we hold this area right here, we're looking for buys. If we fall below, then we can target sells all the way back down to the lows. All right.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to go to you. Someone at my door, so I'll just leave you with Kay for a second.
Okay, yeah, perfect.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you. So, let's have a look at the TPO. We're still trading above this balanced area. Obviously, this is the long-term area. We do not know how long it's going to take to get there, but eventually we will get there, because that's how market works. Balance, imbalance, balance. Because if this was the value previously and this is the value currently, and we broke off this value, where is it going to go? It's going to go to the next value. Okay, now that we have the broader picture, let's go on to the volume profile. Okay, let's get this one. As you can see, market tapped this volume extreme, went up, went to this one. Okay, now we are looking to get to this one. Actually, I'm going to put it down a little bit lower. Okay, however, before we do that, we need to break above this. Okay, and what do we have above the high? We have the HVL. Okay, I'm quoting GCV price, guys. We have HVL here. In order for us to get to this 4450 region, we have to break above the HVL. Okay. So any good buy should be coming above this high. I'm talking about this high. Any good buy should be coming above this. Last night we had really good trades from here. This was the target. Done. Obviously we took it off a little bit early. Anyways, let's go and have a look at the footprint a little bit. As you can see previously, heavy buy came in here. So I have a little position sitting right here. I'll show you. As you can see, I was scalping this area quite a bit. Took a little bit of profit. Now I have a small buy sitting here. I'm waiting for the price to drop down a little bit lower in order for me to add to my buy again. Now, where am I looking to add? This extreme. As you can see, this extreme over here. However, you got to be careful. Look at this blue line, guys. This was the previous balance, right? If this is the previous balance and we are trading inside previous balance, there's an 80% chance of this going to the other side of the balance, which means going towards the lower end of this. Because obviously it's a small account, small position, my risk tolerance is a lot higher, therefore I'm not too fast about it. Okay, so if we do go down based on this profile extreme, I'll make it blue so I can distinguish between current day and previous day. Okay, you could very well get down to this spot, but before we do that, we need to break below this yellow line. Until we break below this yellow line, this sell is not confirmed to this point. Okay, it's not gonna be a high probability trade. However, look at this. Currently we're sitting here. Previously we saw heavy buy coming in here. I mean heavy volume being traded here. We have heavy buy got absorbed over here. Look, it even closed outside the zone, right within that zone. And now we have heavy volume coming in, heavy buy as well, buy imbalance. Therefore, I'm expecting a push up if we close above this. Okay, until we close above this, we may, just go back and forth. And also, if you look at the volume profile currently, guys, we are sitting right on the POC. So you expect them sort of behavior, you know, like sideways movement and stuff like that. And as you can see, guys, we found a resistance right there. I want to see a break of this. There you go. And I want to see volume. Yes, we are going higher. There you go. That up move is confirmed. Now, where can we go? I'm expecting it to go at least to this point. Okay, so always keep track of the volume and stuff like that, and you're okay. You're okay. I believe my buyers are sitting on a little bit of profit, but hey, always keep in mind you're below HVL. If you're below HVL, swings are going to be a lot bigger and more rapid, because obviously this is pre-New York session. You don't expect the volume to be, you know, over the top. You expect it to be somewhat contained. That's why we're not seeing larger, like, you know, swings and stuff. But that's something to keep in mind, guys. Simon, if you're back, I'm sort of done.
Yeah, thank you, man. No, that's perfectly timed. Perfectly timed. I am back. I am back. So, guys, had a delivery. I annoyingly am locked out until 1:40 now, just because there is, if you can believe it, guys, with my prop firm, Canadian CPI news affects the dollar, which they believe affects gold. So I am annoyingly locked out, but that's not a problem. I can just sit here and wait. Thank you, Warren K, for that perfect analysis. We KPSC's moved slightly. As Wolf said, I hope everyone did watch that weekly analysis, because if you did, yet again, and in fact, I think we got 100% hit record so far, Wolf, on the weekly analysis. The levels that we posted,
it's incredible.
and the levels that we posted, yeah, 100%. The levels that we posted, and then right at the end of each of it, Wall and I would post a trade idea, and every single one of them has been pinged before London even starts. So I really recommend, guys, you go in to the weekly analysis that we post every single Sunday for you guys. Watch it, copy the levels. Okay, you don't necessarily need to copy the trades, because obviously we're drawing them well before the market opens, but you can copy the general areas, the zones, and then trade around them. I guarantee you guys, it will completely change the start of your week. Completely change it. Posted every single week to our YouTube. In fact, I'm gonna show you guys now, just so you know that I'm not completely bullshitting you. This is the weekly analysis we posted yesterday, so 17 hours ago. I'll just show. I know where mine is, but I'll let Will maybe show you a little bit later. But I know where mine is. Go through towards the end. Let's go through the news, guys. This is really, really good stuff, guys. So I really recommend everyone likes and subscribes, and then watch. See that? See, we're drawing them out. This one got tagged, and then this one earlier, that daily high that we took earlier as well. That trade there right away to the T. Oh my god, this is unbelievable, guys. So I really, really recommend. See, there's the buy just down there. Generate the sells. You see just above the daily high that we took it. So an even better entry. But each of these zones, each of those zones has held to perfection. See the green line there, red line there? Absolute fun. So guys, like and subscribe. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Join the free Discord, and make sure you take full advantage of that weekly analysis that we post every single week.
Gold is in a... Oh, sorry. Continue.
No, go. No, sorry. I'm done.
Okay. Now, gold is in a really interesting spot just ahead of this, news, because it's in the perfect spot to, rip back up to the highs or go and fill the volume to the downside. They've set it up perfectly.
Yeah, 100%.
It's all planned, all planned. What they're gonna do, they're gonna spike down, take the lows out, then move back up.
Anything come
That's what
through
we'll do.
on the order book? Let's check it out. No. That was oh, here we go.
Yes.
Yeah, here we go.
Yes. Okay, I'm going break even on my buy.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay,
Very nice.
4% up. I needed to go a little bit higher. I mean, you just tap that area. Okay, I needed to go a little bit higher. I'm sitting risk-free on my buy anyway, so I'll just leave it at that.
Very nice, man. I can guarantee as well, people were listening to that analysis and then seeing the candlesticks and thinking, man, this guy's buying. But look at that, literally right away, in a couple of minutes, we got a huge spike to the upside, and that's moved. He's already grabbed 50, 60 pips. There's not an accident. You didn't guess. And I know I can say that because he does it every fucking day. and we watch it live.
I'm on another buy. That runner got stopped out.
Okay, he's in buys again.
Yeah, it just came down and took me out. But whatever. I'm expecting it to drop a little bit lower, to be honest. So, am I expecting profit on this trade right away? No. I'm expecting it to go down lower, put me on a little bit of loss so I can add to my position, so I get a better price and more profit.
How much are you up now, Kay, on your $100 to $1,000 challenge? Yeah.
82% up on this one.
Amazing.
Overall, that's 282 or 382%.
282.
Wow, unbelievable, unfucking believable. If you guys, oh man, this is amazing. So guys, Kay did a $100 to $1,000 personal challenge. You can track it, or you can even follow it if you want to deposit $100 and start with Kay. We track it in the Discord. He shows his MetaTrader every single day. I can show you in fact, if Kay doesn't mind, send a new P&L curve into the Discord chat, and we'll show you that on the personal challenge channel, and I'll show that to everyone. But yeah, unbelievable.
Everything transparent. 100%
Unbelievable.
transparent.
Amazing, absolutely amazing. Really positive and slow compounding growth. He's not just saying $100 to $1 million in 1 week. This is really controlled.
No, I'm not a Lambo trader.
Control. No, not Lambo trader. Really excellently controlled risk management, which you have to have on a small account, small positions, but heavy volume, and absolutely amazing. Really, really good. You can follow that along if you want to join the free Discord, guys. It's in the personal challenge channel. You can see there he's now up 271% in total. He's already taken out the original $100, so this is now completely risk-free. He's tripled it, and I want to show you guys the where is it? There it is. Look at that. Look at that P&L curve. This was a week ago. That is unbelievable. Straight vertical there, guys.
You know how like a lot of people say like, man, if only I invested in Bitcoin before it went parabolic, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because that's what Bitcoin basically looked like back in the day, and it's like, this is pretty much the same thing. If only I invested in FTA before it went parabolic, like K's P&L curve.
Oh man, that's so true. That's so true.
One day we'll make our company public for everyone to trade.
Yeah, we'll be a hedge fund one day, promise.
Oh yeah. No, forget it. We'll be the asset itself, and those hedge fund managers can trade our fucking shares and stuff.
Yeah. One day, you gotta like and subscribe. You want to be part of that growth. The absolute OGs like Liam, Christian, Alex, Edwin. joined early. Take advantage of we're running the 50% discount off your first month, guys. All details in the description. Use the code FIRST, FIRST, and you can take advantage of that 50% off. But you have to get it because it is actually going quite quickly now, so you need to take that space. Get in there early, guys. The amount of value that we give for that price is incredible. Incredible. We might as well be paying you. Okay, guys, I'm just going to let this news pass, this Canadian CPI, because as I said, with the prop firms that I trade with, it affects the dollar, therefore it affects gold because gold is against the dollar. That's how we trade it. So I'm unable to trade just yet. But I'm really liking, guys, how the 55s and the 66s are still holding. So again, just validating that analysis that we did from earlier and from last night as well. You could have taken advantage of those sells and also the buys. And then Wall posted some amazing trades in there as well. Yeah, the delta chart is just absolutely collapsing. You see on my setup, guys, I tend to, obviously I'm in the live stream right now, but I tend to have multiple screens up. I always have my Bookmap on one strip. Whoa, holy shit. Holy. Wow. Why did my run?
I added to my buy, by the way, on this drop.
Okay.
You could go a lot lower, so I'm gonna add as it goes lower.
You guys always manage your own risk, guys. Always manage your own risk, manage your own trade. Remember, K is using extremely low lot sizes. So don't go trying to double your prop firm account in one trade. Never over risk. It's still coming from experience, guys. I've done it. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you, say that I've never over risked. I've never blown an account. It's part of the game, but I want to save you that pain. Look at that, what a kick up. What did Kay say earlier before the news is going to drop and then go back up?
Then go back up, yep.
Crystal ball, guys, crystal ball. But it's fine, you follow the others with their fucking candlesticks and their Lambos and their fake Rolexes and their tea and cup and the book they wrote on ChatGPT.
Fake dream.
Oh yeah. And the concepts they make up.
Yep.
Rent those clothes.
We're not, much love to anyone that's making money and doing their shit, but at the same time, man, it's such a toxic industry where you've got people just taking advantage of other people's needs. Everyone wants to make money, everyone wants to learn a new skill. But there are people out there just selling you snake oil. As the old saying goes, what we're providing is a completely new system that is used by professionals, institutions. You can see here, there's not a we have candlesticks up, of course, but this is just to understand market structure. It's a visual that we utilize, but in terms of our levels, our analysis, our entries, all only using the order flow. Wow, looks like gold is going. I'm really hoping we get this pushed back up, guys, because I really like the sells from this level again. And if this level was to hold again, then I could really see us going a lot lower to get to the 44.25s.
Okay, I'm targeting the high, Simon. The
Yeah.
recent swing high. Not this spike, the swing high on the left.
Okay. Yep.
Because there's a poor high sitting up there. So that is a legit target.
Good shit. Good shit. Wall, are you looking at it? Are you in anything at the moment, or?
No, I'm not in. I did mark out a level and it tapped it to the tick and bounced, but yeah, that's too fast. I'm not gonna trade that.
Yeah, fair play. Fair play. Okay, guys. So the CPI is out now. That is done. So in a couple of minutes, I'll be free to engage. Weapons free. Engage. If I get an entry, that is. But struggling to get past the 44, 48. You can see here we have this very large red bubble, which indicates very aggressive selling that hit a bid. So there was a passive. What I love about the Bookmap chart is that I can see where these passive resting orders are. See there, we have 39 resting order. So that is a passive order. That's someone's putting a pending order at a specific price. He was met with 98 aggressive sellers. So we're just having a really hard time breaking him right now. But I think that is K's target. So no reason why we shouldn't tag that.
It might drop a little bit lower, Simon. On spot, I'm looking at this price. I'll give you the price. It's 43.73. Because if you look at this volume peak, that's the highest peak of that volume. So let's see what happens. However, before it does that, it has to break below the CPI candles low. But I'm still bullish. I'm bullish on gold. I'm not looking for sales or anything like that. If anything, if it goes lower, I want to buy.
Yeah. Shit.
Also keep in mind we're trading around previous week's POC, so you can expect a lot of fluctuation. A lot.
Thank you very much for the like, whoever that was. Thank you. Welcome along. Hope you're enjoying the stream. Please, guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps us grow the channel. Really helps us reach more people that want to learn about order flow. They want to learn properly about the order flow, not just from what ChatGPT is telling somebody to display. This is real order flow trading. Decades of experience before all three of us. Come on, I need you to come back up. I need you to come back up. Oh, what a tune. Music today, good music. All right, I will be right back, guys. Wall, if you could take over for me.
Sure thing. Well, actually, you can hand it over to Kay since he's actually.
Oh,
trading.
yeah.
Let Wall do it. Let Wall do it. I was
Okay.
just gonna say I'm coming back.
Okay. Hello, it's all. Yeah, there you go, bro.
All right. Yeah. All right. So had these levels marked up just before the CPI came in. Basically, the value area low around 45s, and this imbalance at 37s. 37 imbalance got tagged to the tick. Big rejection from there. I was looking for a buy around here, but it pretty much happened instantly. Just went straight down, straight back up. So nothing I'm really gonna do about that. And now we're kind of trapped between here. So I'm just gonna leave be. Just leave be. And like Kay said, you know, we're basically trading on top of the weekly POC area, so gonna be real choppy around here.
Marketers know the drill. The numbers look great, impressions are up, reach is up, everyone's happy.
We're starting to see a bit of absorption of the sellers down here.
That's where LinkedIn is different. LinkedIn delivers the highest return on ad spend of major ad networks. And now when you spend £200 on your LinkedIn campaign, you get £200 extra on us. Get started at linkedin.com/getresults. Terms and conditions apply.
Now, if these buyers are actually strong, they should hold around this area, around this cluster of volume here, and should push it back up above this seller's imbalance. Sellers are starting to get really aggressive here. Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
They're pushing through.
You could drop a lot lower, Wall.
Good.
Yeah.
What's good?
Actually,
Yes, we're starting to fill out volume below the value area low, so likely going to expand the range because the range was for the current daily session. It was a bit, you know, it wasn't really rounded off. It was kind of just like a high volume peak. So we can round that volume off into a nice D profile.
That's what it looks like at the moment. It looks like the extreme will be somewhere around here.
I wouldn't
Like
object
around
to it.
this area.
I wouldn't object to a sell if we can pop up and hold at the 44.7.
44.7.
On
Yep.
spot?
No, GCZ6.
Got it.
So this little pocket of low volume here, guys. I don't know if Wall can see my screen, but
Yep.
this little area. See how it's been rejected multiple times. So if we can get a little pop back into here and this holds, then we've got quite a nice easy stop loss. We could just drive down and break this. I'm not expecting buyers to. Oh, we're now doing negative 1,000 on Delta per day. Ah, fuck. No, don't keep going. 9.
Nine. Nine.
Nine.
Niet. Niet.
Niet. Niet. Ayah.
Now, it is interesting to see that, you know, when you guys look at Simon's Bookmap, you can see the large delta bubble, and when you look at my footprint, that was the seller's imbalance that I was talking about. So
Oh
we
wow.
have different tools that we use, but it still gives us the most accurate data of where buyers and sellers are and how aggressive they are, how much they're selling and buying.
Oh, I didn't realize that also aligned with your set. That's brilliant. That's awesome.
Yep.
Multiple confluences, guys, using literally thousands of dollars worth of tools here, worth of order flow tools here that you guys can watch for free every single day in the Flow Trading Academy. So please make sure, like and subscribe, join the Discord, trade with us every day through all sessions. I know that Kay was awake last night trading Asia, got an amazing buy.
I decided to watch the weekly analysis and take our signals.
Yeah, he was there. He was
That was
taking
spot on. I saw it and I was like, I'm taking it.
I
And
love
there
that.
he goes.
Love that. Yeah, so guys, I'm just going to mark up this area. This is just an area I want to watch for, okay? I'm not taking anything off it. This is just a point of interest, okay? Just a point of interest. Reason being, we've left this pocket of low volume. We have aggressive sellers that hit the bid, which caused them to move down. We have a retest of that same level, rejected again. We're continuing to fall. Delta is falling. If I can get a little pop up to here and we break, and sellers hold, then I would love to take the sell back down, because my overall target for any sells would be around the 44.25s.
LinkedIn delivers the highest return on ad
And let's see if we can. Let's see if we come back, give us an entry, or if we just keep collapsing, which would suck.
industry, job title, and more. And now, when you spend
But it's not over. We've got NYSE open to come.
on us. Get started at linkedin.com/getresults. Terms and conditions apply.
Oh, and every trade we took live on stream last week, guys, was a winner as well. So we're on a little bit of a streak. Touch wood. So you want to keep that going. As what we're saying, not only are you getting tons of different charts, tons of different confluences, you're also getting tons of different thoughts and thinkings around potential trades, but you've got various different versions of effectively the same thing. So for example, I'm a lot more passive in my trading. I would take 3 maximum trades per day. I think Wall is somewhere in between, but K is popping off trades all day, but comes out profitable. So there's no one way which is 100% all the time. You know, what we want to do is open your eyes to order flow, give you that freedom, so you're not constrained by charts, so you're not in a prison of 5-minute closures, 10-minute closures, all that bullshit. You have the freedom to look at the order flow, which is what the big players, the professionals, the hedge fund managers, Wall Street, they're all using, and make the decision for yourselves. Okay.
There's a reason, order flow tools cost money, right? Because they're obviously restricting it, away from retail, because retail want everything free. So what do they use? They use TradingView, right? Just wait for your bullish engulfing candles to take the trades, and sure enough, retail traders are 90%, unsuccessful.
100%. And it's so funny the resistance that we find, and that's why we do what we do, guys, because we want to open the door and demonstrate. I appreciate that a lot of the real order flow tools are quite hard to see real demos and get your hands on and play with and have a look. So we want to provide you with that before you take the jump and invest in yourself. But this is like, we want to be able to show you and also give you the education how to use them. I get that the order flow side of trading is scary. It's alien to a lot of people. So that's what we're here for, guys. We're here to give you that freedom. We will hold your hand all the way through the process. We will spend hours with you, teaching you how to use these tools, teaching you how to set them up. So even if you're scared, it's going to cost me money per month. If you want to invest in yourself, guys, it would cost money to go to college. It costs money to subscribe to these fucking gurus. This is the only way that you're going to become profitable long term. I promise you that. Sorry, Kay, I cut across you. So.
No, I was going to say, if you're going to spend money and give your money away to some snake oil, feel free to do that. But end of the day, if you're investing this money, you're investing it on yourself. It's a lifelong skill. You're never going to lose it. And if you're going to learn, you must learn the right thing. Don't just learn anything. And we've got the premium members here. They can vouch for it. Like, whatever they invested, they made the money back within the first day or two. Right, Christian? Is Christian here?
He's long gone.
He's long gone. Oh, he's not here.
No.
Oh, okay. I mean, he isn't still in the call. When he comes back, he can say it.
Yeah, 100%. But you're right. I think if we... Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's Liam's week. Every single green day. Liam, funded trader. Absolutely amazing, guys. So don't just take our word for it, guys, okay? Oh, fuck it. Why did I do that? Did everyone else just see that? Fucking closed everything.
Oh no.
It's okay. It's okay. It's just the YouTube music.
Okay. Oh, we're breaking down. We're breaking
Yeah,
down.
it looks like it could go a lot lower.
Oh, it's not coming back, is it, guys? It's not coming back. Oh, guys, interesting. Mark this: 44.30, 254. That's big. That is big, especially at one price. Normally they stack them, move them around, but 44.30, 254
Okay.
contracts on the order book. So note that, guys. Note that.
I just entered a sell. Basically, I'm hedging my position. Don't do it, guys. Don't do it. I know what, like, I do have a little bit of experience when it comes to hedging and stuff, so don't touch it. There you go.
He's definitely, bringing price down to get filled, or at least luring price down.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it? It does look like it.
It's hitting the call resistance right now, 0DT. Let's keep that in
Good
mind.
call.
Yeah.
On gold,
Yeah, the fee.
Yep. Called
what's the current
gamma
price?
wall and 0DT.
What's the current
Call
price?
resistance.
01.
Wow,
Oh,
look
wow.
at that drop.
Thank you for telling me. Let me close this short. Because there's a huge chance it could turn around from here.
Yeah, but still there's that lower volume area. It's a bit lower.
So what you want to see? You want to see it go and top the low volume area, then come back up above the 4400 level. That's when your buy is confirmed. So if I see any aggressive buy coming in, I'll add to my position.
Yeah, already bouncing a little bit.
Yeah, gold's at a really interesting area, guys. You can see on my screen on the order book, we've got over 254 passive orders ready to be deployed at 44.30. Now, that's not to say it's going to get filled, but we have to be mindful that we have a shark. I like to say we have a shark in the water. Shark in the water. I may not get Eden, but I've got to be aware that he's there. There's also a chance when he gets filled, I can grab onto his fin and he'll take me with him and I'll make money. So that's what that's what we're hoping for, guys. That's what we're hoping for. And also this is another really interesting, we can use this for tight. If we're lucky enough to get filled on a sell in this range, this could be a really good target. So let's just see what happens, guys. As Kay quite rightly said, this is an area where we can really turn around from. Wow, what a drop, man. Jesus. Oh. See what happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Really appreciate you being here. Help us grow the channel. Every like saves a life. No, every like helps the channel grow, helps us reach more people, helps us spread the word, order flow. There's no one else trading like this. Successfully, anyway. Yeah, 200.
It's given the illusion of a drop.
Yeah, it really does, doesn't it? I can't get a feel. There's nowhere to jump in on this. Really collapsed. We are looking at the 44.50s. You can get a pullback there. That could be a good sell. It's a low volume node. We've got trap buyers. We've got a really aggressive selling at that area.
I'm sorry, who is doing that? Who's joining and leaving?
Neil. Your buddy Neil.
That drives Katie crazy. I think it goes right through his headset, that noise.
Oh, my
Yeah.
volume is really high, so it kind of annoys me.
Yeah.
Like, that sound.
Yeah, we'll have to fix up your Discord setting.
No, I can sort it out from here, but I don't want to change the setting and stuff. Leave it.
Oh, we'll move
I'm an old guy.
so tomorrow, guys. We'll make sure we're in the execution room. Then you can't join,
Yeah, 100%.
and you can't get 3 people.
100%.
Or one of our members of the LTA Premium. Oh God, what the fuck? FTA Premium. Jesus, slap me on the wrist. LTA. Premium.
Someone's an
what was
undercover
that?
agent, I think.
FTA. Sorry,
Mm-mm.
FTA.
Hello, Mr.
Mm-mm-mm.
Undercover Agent. How
My
you doing?
goodness. My goodness. Buy my book.
Yeah.
Our FTA Premium member Eduardo is very, very interested in volume profile war, so I might set up a meeting between you. He would love to learn more. Goldie. There you go.
Okay, we have good buy coming in now. Love that. I want to see a trade inside this range, and then I'll add to my buy. We are still within by this balance area.
Okay, guys, getting a nice push up now on gold. Good to see. Thank you for the like, guys. This is amazing. Thank you for the like. Oh man, if we can get to 10 likes, that would be amazing. That'd be beautiful. Oh, that's Neil. Is that Neil? Is it? Well, old Tino.
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened?
No, I was just seeing who that was. That's all. Someone joined the Discord.
Neil.
Oh, Neil.
Okay, guys, getting a nice push up. I'm really watching the 48s. Area of low volume, aggressive selling, trap passive buyer. Also looks like it aligns nicely with the value area low, but I'll let Wall confirm that because he's more of the volume profile.
Yep. Yeah, we have value area low roughly around 45 today, current days.
Okie dokie, yeah. Yeah, so all aligning, guys. I mean, we can just get up there. I don't want to sell any earlier than there because the stop loss doesn't make sense. Because if we were to sell now, the stop loss would have to be above the 44.50s, which is over 100 pips, which I'm not a lover of. I'd rather take a short from the 44.48s, for example. I think your stop loss could be 44.54 at a max. So what's interesting about here, though, is all of this passive selling that's taking place above price. So we could form an area of resistance here, or we could blow right through it. So keep an eye out. I hope everyone had a good weekend.
Oh yes.
Certainly.
Amazing.
Most certainly.
Apart from certain someone who's been preparing for bigger things.
Oh, you're talking about Wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta be careful about that. You're right. Much bigger things than us. Much bigger things than us. We might be part of it. Who knows?
We are above the cold resistance, right, Christian?
Yeah.
Significantly.
We had a good reaction. Look, I wanted to buy here, but I needed to clear this zone. If it does not clear this zone, it's not a buy for me. I'm gonna have to sit and wait.
Now, that was like a great call by Christian to notice that, right? Because we have option levels available to us. K provides it to us daily, and you can see the strong reaction from it. Like we've moved up almost 100 ticks, almost 100 ticks from it.
And Christian, would you have noticed that as quickly as that without being part of this group? If someone asked you that randomly. He's never there.
He's gone. He's gone.
Sorry,
again.
say that again. Say that again.
No,
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I was just gonna ask you, would you have been able to respond to that question from Kay? Previous, if you weren't part of this group, would you have known what any of that meant?
Call resistance. What do you mean with the question?
Well,
Sorry.
like the options level, the core resistance, everything that we talked about during this call, would you have been aware of it or been able to be as astute with it without being part of this group?
No.
Yeah.
No, absolutely not. The thing is, there's a lot of stuff on YouTube, of course, right?
Mm-hmm.
But you get it learned face to face, nearly face to face. So it's way different.
Love that.
Yeah.
And also, I was saying, Christian, like, we're talking about how people shouldn't be. Well, it's their money; they can do whatever the hell they want with it. But I was saying, if you're gonna give your money to someone, you might as well give your money to someone who's gonna teach you the right thing, the right tools and
Exactly.
stuff, instead of purchasing snake oil and stuff. So I was like, whatever you invest with us, you get the money back within first couple of days anyway. You make it back through trading.
Yeah.
And I was saying Christian is here who can confirm this, and obviously he won here. So basically, following on that one, don't you think that's a correct statement?
Yeah. Of course.
Love that as well. Christian as well, and also Liam and the other members of the FTA, the Flow Training Academy, are you can hear by the way we're all talking, they're very much, we see them as friends, equals, colleagues, people that we work with day in, day out. That really see how instantly Kay, who's been doing this for nearly 2 decades, vastly experienced, asked Christian a question about a certain level and trusted it and took that on board and has driven his behavior and trading around it. So if you were to join with us, you're not going to get treated like a number or pawn, or you are very much part of the community. You're very much part of the family. You're very much a colleague. We see you as colleagues, and we are here to help you and take you through this journey. You're not just going to get palmed off with a go do that PDF or go follow that course or go read that crap that came from ChatGPT. No. As to use Christian's words, it's just face-to-face learning every single day.
And other people, they just create a video. Okay, they give you the video link which you watch. You don't even know, and also those things, they're based on past market conditions. So they will just show you an example of the chart and they'll be like, you do this, you do that. This is the things. No. We do it live. We read the market live. Now, that's really, really important. Being able to use it on the correct market condition, in live market condition as well. I mean, everything's good and dandy, hindsight. Whenever the move happens, everything makes sense to you, right? But being able to read the market while making sense beforehand is where real skill lies, and that's what we do.
Beautifully put, man. Beautifully put. Hey guys, we're about to approach the level that I drew earlier. Again, this is a point of interest. I'm not looking to enter a trade straight off of it when we tap it. I'm just interested in the reaction from it. Okay, so that's a really important differential. I'm just, oh, was that a word? I don't know. That's a really big difference. I'm really just looking for the reaction from it. Okay.
Oh, wait, what was the word again?
Differential. Differential. Is that right?
Never heard of it, but yeah. Differentiate?
Differentiate. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the correct word.
We're the only English guys here. We don't even know. Guys, so we're getting close to that level. Haven't quite tagged it yet. Delta looks like it's getting a little bit positive right now, but don't drop from here, don't drop from here. I don't believe it. Okay.
Like I said, he has to clear this zone. He just tapped top of the zone and then he rejected.
Yeah.
Stand by for me until we clear this zone.
Still looking at this 44.7s, guys. Just looking to see if we can capitalize on a short. But I'm worried it might have rejected this from the 44, 45s, which would suck, which it's doing. Oh yeah.
Value area low.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Delta's dropping now, guys. But it does validate. It does validate this area was a good one to watch for. This looks like we just missed it by 2 handles. That would have been a very nice quick 60 pips. See if we can get another push back up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up for you guys.
We should see a pushback up.
Come on.
I'm expecting it to break inside the huge volume area again and get to the POC, the bare minimum. And obviously upper end of that distribution is the final target. However, I do not want to see the push-up now.
I do.
I do not want to see the push-up now. I needed to stay here, so at 2:30 we could see the move back up.
Yeah.
This is gonna go to the moon, bro. It's going up a lot higher.
Possibly.
I'm looking at my delta chart, my delta one, cumulative delta, and there's a massive divergence. Massive divergence. So I'm expecting it to go higher, possibly even take the higher of the day. Obviously, like I said, we're looking to get to 50 region on GCB, so yeah, it needs to pick up a lot of steam before that. All right, gonna go get some tea, boys. That's it.
All right.
Okay. Guys, yeah, I think we had the right idea, but it just didn't grab it. It just didn't get to where we wanted to. Just did not get to where I wanted to. I was really looking at this volume of this little pocket of low volume just here that we created on this aggressive move down. Just missed it. Just missed it, which happens. But hey, we are not done yet. Just because we missed the zone doesn't mean we give up. It just means that, okay, that zone was confirmed. That's great. And now we look for the next one. Because, guys, if we were to get, of course, if we get the confirmation of a sell from here, then the target is quite obvious. It's around the 44.30s, early 30s. Because it's a very large passive order sat here. Now, are they going to get tagged? We don't know. We don't know. It's all about probabilities in this game. Okay, we do not know what the market's going to do, but we can use the data that we have available to us to make assumptions. Okay, based on probability, not based on guesswork or candlestick patterns, based on the data that we are shown and what we're looking at. And at the moment, the delta and the order flow activity is telling me that there's a real potential we can come back down and at least grab this low. Okay, you can see how delta was falling off a cliff. You can see how we're really struggling, even with positive delta, to hold price up. So buyers have to fight their way through a lot of treacle, okay, a lot of oil to go back up. Not saying I can't, it could go to the moon like Kay says, but we have to trade what's in front of us right now. We're intraday traders, okay? We're not swings. We're not looking to buy and hold. We're taking advantage of small, sharp moves.
Hey, what's going on? Come on. Come on. I want to see you move up. Come on. Break this zone. Where is Donald Trump? Come on, bro. I'm going to make a call to Donald Trump.
Well, Donald.
Yeah.
Cool. Is Powell still in? Is Jerome still in our Discord?
No.
No,
Guy resigned.
Oh, okay. I thought he was in our Discord.
He knew economy is in shambles. He's not going to stay any longer, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, there is this weird conspiracy theory, okay, about Feds. Did you hear about it?
No, go on.
Okay, when did Titanic sink?
1912.
1912. When was Fed created?
I guess 1912. I guess
1913.
Oh.
So at that time, all the elites, like big guys that are like, the economists and all those guys, they were invited to go into join the Torrent Titanic.
Oh.
Yep.
Shit.
And so people that did not join, they created Fed afterwards. And those guys were thinking about creating Fed. People that died, most of them.
Wow. That's great. I didn't know that. That's really interesting. Very interesting.
Yeah, I'm sad. Leo died.
Yeah, man.
Hey, if they did not die, we wouldn't have that beautiful song, Wherever You Are.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful song.
Celine Dion wouldn't have sung that song, eh?
And you know what, though? I'm going to put it out there. That's a great film.
Oh yeah, that is.
That's a good.
Yeah.
That's a
Bro,
good film.
when I first watched it, I was little. Would you believe it? I actually freaking cried.
But I don't blame you, man. I don't blame you. They were the first
Like
boobs I ever saw.
when he sunk to the bottom of the ocean after
Yeah.
freezing to death, like that's when I fucking started crying, bro.
Yeah, man. Well, let's start. Oh, here we go, guys. We're approaching this key level. But as I said, guys, we're just monitoring. We're not looking to enter straight off the tap. Okay, we're just taking a look, see what happens. Look at the reaction. Yeah, 90 during the Titanic film, I was probably about 11 or 12 when that came out, and I just remember like watching it at home. We're like got it on like Blockbuster Video or something, and I was just watching it, and I was like, oh my god, boobs!
Oh man, Blockbuster! Oh my god, memories! Right
Blockbuster,
there.
man.
A lot of PlayStation memory cards, PlayStation
Oh,
games. My god.
yeah, the
Oh
game.
god.
Getting a game for the weekend, but oh my god, that was banging.
Oh yeah.
I remember there's this game called Scarface on PlayStation 2.
Hmm.
I borrowed it from Blockbuster and I did not return it because I loved it so much. Then I went and paid the full price.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's why they
afterwards. I didn't want to do it, but my uncle was like, nope, you gotta do it.
That's why
I was
they
little,
went
bro.
fast.
Well, I paid, bro. But that game was so good. So good. One of my favorite games back in the day.
Guys, let's see.
And Simon, when we were little, remember, like, I don't know whether if you guys done it or not, like, all the cousins, we used to get together during the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and play FIFA tournaments, Tekken tournaments, and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
we used to play. Do you remember Pro Evolution Soccer?
Oh, yeah, PS
Yeah, we used to play that.
2006 and all those ones, 4, 5, yeah.
We used to play that. That used to be the weekend game.
Yeah. We used to run a tournament. Like, oh, man, that was
And
fun.
the wrestling games were good when we were young as well. The wrestling
Oh,
games.
yeah. Oh, man, thank you. Man, those were the games, man.
Yeah, good times.
And back then it was Tekken 3, isn't it? Like, I don't know whether if you play Tekken or not, but I used to play Tekken 3 a lot.
Yeah. Oh, okay, guys, getting into the zone now. Get in there, get in there. I want to see you revisit this aggressive selling. That's what I want to see. I want to see that aggressive selling defend price. Okay? All I would settle for. Cannot ignore this. A lot of aggressive positive delta coming through. Aggressive buyers. Thank you for the likes, guys. Really appreciate the likes. Please make sure you do subscribe as well. It really means a lot to us. Really means we can help grow the channel. Provide more content for you guys. We've got massive plans for FTA. We are going places. We're going to break this
The
industry.
sound barrier.
We are sound barrier.
Going supersonic.
Okay, guys, a lot of positive delta. We're not. Buyers are not getting rewarded just yet. Oh, don't collapse again. Get in there, get in there. It needs to get in here, guys. Got to see the 46s, got to see the 47s. Need confirmation that these guys are going to hold. I want to be one of those early sellers. No one wants to come early. Don't do it.
I see what you did
Don't do
there.
it.
Naughty, naughty.
Ah, mother. Fuck.
It's just trapped here.
Yeah.
That means at 2:30 we should see a move up, eh?
I don't know.
We should see a move. I don't know. I think that might flush it.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, it's just how this. Oh man. Fucked me twice. If anyone was braver than I was and took that sell, but I've really got to see more of the mid 40s get tagged, guys. Then I think it's got more of a chance to continue down rather than these little bounces that it's doing now. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. I'll be here for NYSE Open. See what happens, see what the market brings us.
Stay around here, price. Stay around here. We are getting closer to 2:30. 13 minutes to go.
Yeah, don't do anything stupid. Price. Yeah, the frustrating thing is when you've got all your levels like perfectly marked out, and then New York Open or the news just destroys them.
Trust me, if someone was to restrict me trading, like, anything, restrict anything when it comes to my trading, I can't trade. No.
Yeah.
I want full freedom, like news trading, stuff I want to be able to trade however, whenever I want.
Yeah. No, that's the beauty of having your own capital, right? No, yeah, I've got my own capital account. You're all right. It's good to have that complete freedom.
Can I join the prop firm, Simon? Own capital prop firm?
Alpha Capital?
No, own capital, you said.
Oh, obviously, yeah, you want to join? Yeah, you want to join?
You didn't get the joke, man.
Yeah, you can join it, but I will restrict you.
Oh, no. I'm running the other way then. This looks really good.
It does.
Break this zone. We're still trapped within that zone.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that. You just look at the candles, man. What a mess. What a mess.
What a mess.
Come on, guys. Help us get to 100 subscribers. Help us on our journey. Wow, 4 likes, guys. Thank you so much for the likes. 4 likes so far. Really appreciate it.
Hectorus says it's gonna go down. He thinks.
Who does?
Hectora.
Oh, okay. Oh, Nisus, thank you very much, MW, for the subscribe. You are very welcome here, my friend. Let's go, Hectora. You're very welcome.
Yep. I'm gonna switch to the yes.
See you guys. Let's see. So we have 10 more minutes, guys. 10 more minutes. Why did that take me so long to work that out? 10 minutes, guys. We got 10 minutes. Yeah, Hectora, thank you so much. We are we're definitely looking to break the mold and be disruptive in this space, because we totally agree. No one trades like this. This is the real way. You go to any trading floor in London or New York or Chicago or anywhere, you will not see TradingView up on their screens. You will see order flow, market profile, you will see Bookmap, see footprint. You're only using order flow. So you're very welcome here, my friend. Thank you for joining us. Okay, guys, still pretty trapped in this little tight, compact range. Had a really nice sell-off. Lucky enough to catch those sells during London sessions. That was a really great trade in the FTA Academy. Got a couple of retests, a couple of opportunities to re-entry. That would have been an amazing entry. Look at that. Look at that for a sell. Again, all in the same area. So what I'm observing now, guys, is really just looking at this little pocket of low volume at the 44.48. I'm looking for a potential move to the downside, because I'm very conscious, guys, of the large. This is the order book, okay? This is coming directly from the exchange. This isn't made up. 252 sat on the buy side. Okay, so we're below price. This is a buy. This is a pending order. So this is somebody or an institution or a company that wants to buy at a specific price. They're not aggressive, so they're not market executing. They're waiting for price to come to them, and then they'll execute their buy. Okay. So we're just very cautious of that being in and around where we're trading at the moment. Okay. Reason being is that this could suddenly drop, fill that order, and then continue to the upside, or it could fill that order, trade a little bit lower, attract more buyers. This buyer reloads at different prices as we drop and goes even to the moon. As Kay said, there is every chance for us to go to the moon. It just depends whether he wants to attract more buyers. Because think of it like an auction, guys. This all the market is. It's an auction. It's like you're going to buy a car or a house. Where is the best value? Where would you want to do your business? Where would you see the value in entering the market? That all these microtransactions that are happening is exactly the same. It's just an auction. And when you view the market like an auction, it completely changes your perspective. It really does. Just sit with that for a little bit. This is an auction. You go to an auction, you're looking for the best possible value to buy an asset or sell an asset. So right now, we could argue that it's pretty balanced. You know, we're not breaking above, we're not breaking low. We are currently balanced. Okay, there's an equilibrium of sellers and buyers. Not one of them yet has the upper hand on the other. And what I want you to understand as well, guys, is I hear this really bugs me, and I think Wall and Kay will appreciate this. It really bugs me when I watch other streams and you hear the guru or the educator, inverted commas, educator, saying there are more buyers and more sellers. Impossible. There's never more than the other. One is more aggressive and larger than the other, but you can never have more buyers or more sellers. You have to have an equal one-to-one, because that's how a transaction is completed. That's how a buy and then a sell is completed, moves the market. One can be more aggressive than the other and larger. That's completely true, but you cannot have more buyers to more sellers or more sellers to more buyers. You can't do that. That's not how a transaction is completed. Think about it. It doesn't make sense. So guys, are we? Tora thinks we're going to go down, so let's see. Let's make them right. Okay, guys, 4 more minutes to NYSE.
I'm expecting this to move back up to that range.
Okay. Right, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, good. That's a good observation, Hector, about the issue. It went up straight fast, possibly grabbing liquidity, could be going down. Personally, I think it can go up or down. That's my view.
Oh, wow. I'm expecting it to at least minimum move back up to the POC of today.
Okay. So on spot, you're looking around the 43.95s?
So the spot price is, yes, 43.94.95. So
Okay,
say
yeah.
95.
Yeah. Okay. Again, just sorry to repeat myself, guys, but I just want to make it clear. This little white box here is just a point of interest I'm watching. Okay, I'm not looking to enter a trade off of it, off the rip, as some people might say. I'm just observing it because it's a pocket of low volume. It's an area where we had a passive buyer that was filled. He couldn't hold. We had more aggressive selling, caused a big move to the downside. We also have this passive order resting at 44.30. So I'm really just observing it, guys. Okay. It's not an entry. I will let you know once and if I get a trade. So we'll warm. So okay.
Wall must be really tired after the jury duty.
Oh man, when I got home, I took a shower and just went to bed.
I don't blame you, man.
It must be mentally exhausting.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
More exhausting than trading mentally, or no?
Yeah. Probably because like I'm so used to trading, right? Mostly it was just super frustrating to see them do everything but take so long to do every little thing, and it's like, please hurry up, please.
Okay, guys, one more minute to NYSE open.
It looks like it's gonna drop. The way it's closing right now, it's closing below heavy volume, and I do not want that.
I make Hectora right. I like their signal.
Let's go. The Hectora's Express.
See, I'd love a little spike into here, and then I would sell the shit out of it.
Oh, that looks promising now. Okay. 20 seconds to go. I need it to close higher. Then I know 230 is going to push the price higher. But hey, the POC, a visit back up to the POC is a legit target and high probability as well.
Sorry, guys, 2 sec. Can you take over for me?
Wall.
Yep.
Share the screen. Hang on,
All right,
2 seconds.
we're open. NYSE's open and nothing.
No, that way it closed, it looks like it's gonna drop. But hey, 230, anything could happen. So just wait.
Yeah.
Oh, that's New York Open, Hectora.
Yeah.
New York Open. Basically, New York Open brings you a lot of volatility. So 2:30 GMT London time is when New York opens, and basically, New York time is 9:30 in the morning. And then you have cash open in half an hour at 3 o'clock, which is going to bring a lot of volatility too. So normally, you do not want to trade the first 5-10 minutes of New York. You want to observe what the market does. Obviously, if you're an experienced trader, then it's different. There you go. And move back up to the POC would be very, very nice. We are still trapped within that zone. It's accumulating a lot of orders here.
Is it? Yeah. Okay. So Simon's gun is currently on me. So
Yeah.
yeah, we have this imbalance just up here that's holding price down, and we're just stuck in this tiny little chop range. Now, I was not really paying attention to gold. I was more interested in the Nasdaq because I think Nasdaq will crater. So, yep. I did take a sell on the Nasdaq off of this imbalance zone right here. We have this low volume cutoff, and I'm looking to take it lower. I want to see these lows get broken down here, and I do believe we'll get there. So, almost at TP already. Yeah, I'll just close it right there. Just a few. Oh, and there was TP.
Good profit.
Yeah, good profit. So $120 one trade on the day. Nice.
Perfect.
Let's go back to gold.
Oh yes, gold moving up. We are trying to break out of that zone.
Okay, we're tapping into that imbalance, but because of where this imbalance is, it's likely to, as Kay say, go back higher if it gets around here because it's just gonna get sucked back into the POC. And gold is fundamentally very bullish. So you have a lot going for gold to the upside.
And we're straight back into that zone. Which makes me think, because if you look at the order flow, a lot of buy volume, a lot. Okay.
Yes.
Now ask yourself this question: are they being rewarded?
They are currently being absorbed right here.
Okay, so if you look at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 50 minutes, we have a lot of buys, a lot on my chart spot I'm talking about. How far did they push the price up? Are they being rewarded? They are somewhat being rewarded, but not to an extent where you can say like, okay, yeah, they are. It's really, really bullish. You know what I mean? This is the characteristic of a balanced market.
Yes. And due to the location we're in, it could rotate a lot lower due to where we are in the, weekly profile.
I'm going to sell.
Yeah.
Okay. Simon is taking a sell. Oh, okay. Hectora says the Discord link is invalid, Simon. You gotta fix that up.
Can you post it in the comments for him, please, bro? Is that okay?
I'll post it.
Thank you, man. Hey guys, I am in cells. Stop loss is back up towards the POC. Because if we do manage to get back up there, thanks for letting us know, Hectora. That's really, really great. Apology, we didn't notice that.
Hey, here's the link.
I'll get that fixed. Do that. Okay, good stuff, guys. Excellent. Okay, you guys should be about 30 pips up now in profit.
I can't post it for some reason. It's not letting me. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
There you go. I sent it.
Through there. 38. Nice to get it at 89. Okay. That's the entry, guys. Stop loss is back up. Oh, I don't like that reaction.
It's going a lot higher. It's going a lot higher. Looking at my order flow, like putting all the pieces together, it looks like it's going a lot higher.
There you go, let's see. Not the reaction we wanted when we got down here. Wanted to see more of a move down, but is what it is. As I said, guys, I was looking at the 47s to get tagged. We got tagged. I saw aggressive selling come into the market. Made by the volume. There it is. Is what it is. We had a good win today, so manage your risk accordingly.
Yeah, you'll have to post the link up, Simon. It looks like it's canceling it out when we post it.
Is my one the one I posted?
It's fine, guys.
Did they like delete it on its own or what?
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
Probably the YouTube algo.
yeah.
There you go, guys. I posted it. There you go. Wait, oh dear, that's not good. Don't want to see that.
Let me click and see if it's working. Yeah. Yeah, it's working.
Okay, we're breaking above the imbalance now. Aggressive buyers. The fact that this imbalance has been holding so long, it's unlikely that, it's gonna hold yet again now that it's pushing through. It's likely that we're just gonna see POC at this stage.
That delta candle doesn't give a lot of confidence that that's gonna hold, but let's see. If we get another push up, then I'll just close it early, guys. No point in letting this hit stop loss. Good thing about the order flow, it will tell us when we're wrong very quickly. I can manage that risk and get out a lot earlier rather than let it hit my...
Tap that zone. We need to go above that.
No, we don't.
If this zone gets broken, we're going up a lot higher. But hey, Simon, you do have hope. This
Thanks,
zone is really, really important, bro.
There we
It's
go.
really
That's
important.
nice. There you go. Beautiful. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Another nice
Glad it-
reaction. Another nice reaction there from the 48s. Let's see. Let's just see, guys. Let's break down now. Just want to see a nice breakdown.
should see sideways movement for some time now.
Guys, good stuff.
Man, gold is choppy.
Nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go break even here. It's nice. Nice drop. I'd like to see it just keep going, but as the guys have said, we're so freaking choppy. So if this comes back and gets me break even, that's fine. I just like that there was a lot of aggressive buying that got rejected there, guys. Ah, beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm going to close a little bit here. What's that? A nice 40 pip drop. Take some off. There you go, so you should have secured a little bit of 40 pips. Our stop loss is only 60 pips, so near 1-to-1, but you take some off and let her run, let her go. Ah, I don't. No. Ah. Come on, keep going. You should all be break even now, because this just chopping around, so it could just come up. It's gonna get me. I'm hanging on, guys. I'm hanging on. There you go, lovely. You should have secured some already, guys. You're very welcome, Hectora. Thanks for letting us know. Thanks for letting us know it wasn't working properly. If you took the trade, Hectora, take some off, take some profit, go break even. Enjoy the day. Made some good money earlier on the sell, so if we get. We've made some money on this sell as well, which is great.
Now he's gonna go to the POC, Simon.
Thanks, bro.
Have you taken some profit off?
Yeah, I've taken profit off.
Perfect.
We're break even now.
Perfect. Wise move.
Alrighty, guys, took a trade. Pretty bad entry, but it's doing fine.
What did you do?
Nearly back in profits. Let me show you guys the different screen. Yeah.
There you go, guys. Nice little push down. Take some more off, Vector, if you wanted to as well.
So I saw a volume getting built at the lows. So let me zoom out a bit. No, I need to do it differently with yeah. Let me go here. Okay, see it? Okay.
Yeah.
So composite profile over a big period.
Mm-hmm.
You can see bigger balance here. But yeah, we're all the way here right now. So I had this low volume node marked out.
Mm-hmm.
And then when stock exchange opened, it came down and started to build volume. So now I need to show my other screen again. Oh, that's the wrong one. Which is it? Where's that screen? Is this one? No. Yeah, this is. Something is not working.
Mine's a
Ah,
shade
yeah,
of
this
full
one.
screen. Yeah.
Yeah, this one. So you can see, right? Lots volume build. So I went in here, but yeah, it pulled all the way there.
You sold it or bought
Yeah,
it?
sold.
Sold it. So, in my opinion, it was an early sell. You should have seen the. You should have waited until price gets accepted within the bigger balance area.
Yeah, true that, because it's right now still in that in low volume area.
Yeah. Well, that low volume area will get filled. Okay. However, what you wanted to see, what you should be seeing, like acceptance within the big balanced area.
Yeah.
So if you go back to your trading view chart again,
Let me do this.
yeah, you see this balance?
Yeah.
You want to see an acceptance within that area.
Okay.
So
Break even.
I'm not
Hector.
saying
Break even, my friend. We
I'm
got
not
break.
saying that sell is wrong.
It's way too early.
Sorry, Simon, you carry on.
That's right. 2 seconds, man. It's okay. I'll just you guys carry on with the education. I'll just mute you guys. There you go. Hector, yeah. So I got tag break even there, but obviously we secured some around the 40 pip mark. So hopefully you also grab some profit and now break even. As the guy said, it's got a chance of going higher, but I just really wanted to capitalize on that sharp move. As I said, we were waiting for the rejection from the 44, 47s, which we got. And you can see here we had aggressive buying that was absorbed at the area where we had large aggressive selling previously. So that was about an hour ago. We had this large aggressive selling and we had the move down. Retested it with aggressive buying. Sellers reloaded and we've got this really nice push down that we just capitalized on there. Potentially it could go higher. I know that the guys are anticipating us to go higher, but the way that I trade, I love to see buyers get trapped or sellers get trapped and take advantage of the pullback. So yeah, really, really good trade there. Really good trade. Break even now, but we secured some profit. We took a lovely sell earlier. So yeah, good day. Good Monday. I'll let the guys back in, then we'll wrap up. Yeah, so Hector, just to answer your question, bro, when you join the Discord, you'll get access to the free area, get access to all the videos about how we set up our charts, get access to the community, all the general chat, weekly fundamentals, the daily analysis that we post every day, trade reviews that we post, personal challenge that Kay's taking. Yeah, tons of free content there for you, buddy. And if you wanted to join the FJ Premium,
Way more profitable.
Beautiful. I took the buys as well
86%
as soon as we start to break.
Let's go. Because this is what I was waiting for. Like,
Good
can
shit.
you see? This was a good level. Like,
oh wow, look at
this
that.
is where the battle took place, and tank from here. Then we built this volume area, which was really, really important. Good thing we recognized it. And here's the first rejection. When it came back in, started doing volume, and look at the delta. Okay, look at the delta. This is what made me think, okay, we are fucking breaking higher.
Okay, sorry, man.
Yes.
You guys weren't muted. Let me. Do you want to share?
Yeah.
Share your screen.
If you
You guys took
go over
buys,
to
yeah?
my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. I closed my buy. Yeah.
I'll share this for
So-
Hector. Hang on 2 seconds.
okay. Yep.
There you go, Hector. So this is what you'll be able to see in the premium. You'll be able to see all our charts, but I'll let Kay give you a taster of the trade that he just took.
Okay. I'm sorry, guys, if you hear any background noise. I'm so sorry. But let me walk you through. So you can see market came down here. Majority of the volume was traded here, right? Now, I want to, first clue, let me show you this. Look at my delta. There's a massive delta divergence. This is why I said, like, you know, it's going to go to the moon. Now, what did we realize on the footprint? Look at that heavy volume. Market could not push it up. Look at the delta, positive delta. Big buy came in. This was an important zone because a lot of battle took place. You can see buyers, buyers, sellers, sellers. So this was an important zone. Market came down, built some volume, built some more volume, went back inside this range. So this range was really, really important too. And you can see price just going back and forth within this area. When it pushed up, where did it go? To this area. Then it rejected back inside this area. Now, when it came back down, I know a lot of people are thinking it's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. I know. I don't know the best way to put it. Anyways, look at the delta. Massive, massive positive delta. To a lot of people, this is absorption. To me, this is buyers accumulating their orders. Okay, and now let's put everything together. If majority of the volume took place here and a lot of buyers coming in towards the lower end of this, what does that tell you? It's going to go up, right? Now, where can it go to? This is one spot, and I also have a spot right here. Now, why this spot? Let's go back to TPO chart. What do we have? For high. And we're about to hit that. This was my final TP, by the way, but I took it off early. I'll show you. As you can see, I took it off here. Over here, I was scalping, made a little bit of profit. My TP was right here, and end of the day, I'm 86% up. That's about it for now, Simon.
No, beautiful, beautiful. There, the buyers definitely. Beautiful trade. Awesome, guys. Well, nice win to start the week. Live on stream, both on buys and sells. Good thing we went break even there and secured some. Obviously, wow, look at that move up. Jesus. Is that level going to hold? 44.60 is going to hold again? Oh, well, we'll come back tomorrow. See you again. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming along. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subs. It's been an amazing day today. We're taking two trades, 2 wins. 1 win live on stream for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys tomorrow, live on stream, same time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, join the free Discord, and trade safe. We are now going to dip into the Flow Trading Academy Premium trading room. We're still going to trade. Still going to trade in there. Our day is not done. So we're going to jump into the Flow Trading Academy Premium, trade with the members, and we're going to be there. So I hope to see you there. But for YouTube, now we're done. I will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.
Peace out.
Peace out, everyone.